Cyber Samachar. Namaskar. This is the Cybex Sword, and you are watching Cyber Samachar with Naran. Today's breaking news. Fake SIM card factory busted. Odisha gang sold over 4,000 fake SIM cards to cybercriminals. Odisha police has brought down the curtain on a fake SIM card racket operating in the district. 4 members of a gang involved in activating and selling illegal SIM cards to cybercriminals across India have been arrested. These individuals allegedly activated over 4,000 SIM cards in Odisha and then sold them to cybercriminals across India. Posing as point of sale (POS) agents for various telecom service providers, they gained access to people's personal information and documents. Using this information, they then activated thousands of SIM cards without the knowledge or consent of the rightful owners. Top 5 Cyber Samachar on this week. First, Center committed to making net safe for all citizens, Amit Shah. Second, beware of online liquor scams. Bengaluru man loses 3.4 lakh rupees in cyber fraud. Third, cyber criminals use AI to clone voice and scam woman of 32,000 rupees. Man posing as Flipkart manager busted in 13 crore rupees crypto scam. Dehradun police bust network across 12 states. Fifth, Microsoft executives' emails hacked by group tied to Russian intelligence. Detailed news as follows. Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurates Assam Rifles Cyber Security Operations Center (CSOC) in Latkur, Shillong. It will carry out real-time monitoring of the Assam Rifles Wide Area Network, WAN, mitigation of external threats and prevention of cyber violations in the force's network 21.5 lakh. Shah said that as Bharat takes a quantum leap towards digitization under PM Modi's leadership, prevention of cyber crimes is a key priority. Stating that the Modi government is committed to making the internet secure for every citizen. Next, beware of online liquor scams. Bengaluru man loses 3.4 lakh rupees in cyber fraud. Cyber crooks swindle 3.4 lakh rupees from finance executive desperate for weekend liquor in Bengaluru. Many youngsters, especially IT professionals, are losing money. The latest victim of this digital liquor trap is Danush, name changed, a 41-year-old finance executive from BTM layer. Danush found a number online and placed his order. The receiver, posing as Tonik, collected his credit card details for a seemingly harmless 4,065 rupees payment. But what followed was a whirlwind of OTP demands and fabricated excuses, draining Danush's account dry to the tune of 3.4 lakh rupees. Next, cyber criminals use AI to clone voice and scam woman of 32,000 rupees. A woman in Lucknow became the victim of a sophisticated cybercrime on Sunday evening. Using artificial intelligence, AI, to clone her brother-in-law's voice, the perpetrators tricked her into transferring 32,000 rupees under the guise of urgent medical expenses. In brother-in-law Dharmendra's voice, his daughter was hospitalized and he needed immediate financial assistance to cover the mounting medical bills. He fabricated details about failed UPI transactions, urging Rajlakshmi to send the money directly to his mobile number. Next, Dehradun Cyber Police Station has arrested a member of an organized gang involved in a nationwide online scam worth 13 crore rupees. The gang lured victims into investing in cryptocurrency and completing tasks like liking and subscribing to YouTube channels, promising profits but ultimately defrauding them of their money. At last, Microsoft said its security team detected the attack earlier in January and identified the hacker as the Russian state-sponsored hacker group Midnight Blizzard. Though the attack was initiated in late November 2023, it was detected only on 12 January 2024. The incidence shows, like in earlier such cases, that even the most sophisticated cybersecurity systems are far from being adequate. The fact that the intrusion began in late November 2023 and was detected only around mid-January 2024, as per Microsoft's blog. Stay tuned and keep watching Cybex for Cyber Samachar and latest updates. Like, share and subscribe Cybex Sword for more news and videos.